Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Find the length of the longest pole that can be put in a room of dimensions 10 meters by 10 meters by 5 meters. So, let's see the solution. You find what? Find the length of the longest pole. So, here given length is 10 meters, breadth is 10 meters and height is 5 meters. So, length of the longest pole is equal to length of the diagonal. Length of diagonal is equal to length of the pole. So, length of the diagonal formula is square root of L square plus B square plus H square units. So, L square is 10 square plus B square is 10 square plus height square. Height is 5 square meters. So, here 10 square means 100, 10 square is 100, 10 square is 100 plus 100 plus 25. So, total is 225 meters. So, square root of 225 meters is 15 meters longest pole. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.